Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today we will learn references. So basically, references in PHP, same as shortcut. You are using shortcut in desktop. You are clicking and going to like application directly. So same is here in application in programming. You can define the reference of each variable. You can define the one variable assigning to another variable reference. So let's see how can you use this. Suppose so we are starting from PHP, right, and assigning from here a variable value is 1, right, and same b variable is equal to variable a, right, and b variable is equal to 2. Simple, like we can use. And now here is like printing, right, a dollar a variable, right, and we can use here b dollar b variable, right, and we can use the break line. Nice. Right, so let's see, run this file, php references, right. Let's see, this is very simple, a and b, because we are assigning value of a1 and b is equal to 2. Very simple. And let's see, this is copy, making echo here, right, and now assigning here like reference variable. See this, this is this is reference. You can use, now print this, right. See, now his variable is value 2 and 8. Nothing changed. But now here is value of a is equal to 1, but now printing is 2 because reason of reference. So this is the reference. And one more thing we can use here. Let's see. Right. We can use unset. Unset value of b. We can assign the unset value of b on. Now we can use this. Right. Now run this. V value is nothing because we are unset. So unset means we can use for elementing any variable value, unset value, and same as variable name unset. Now is, let's see. So one is unset value of a. So you can use unset for any variable for unset value. Thank you so much. So this is a reference assignment. If you have any query about the reference assignment, you can comment me. I definitely revert. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.